Welcome to the regular Faroese News Report.
Here are this week's headlines. First up is the news, followed by recent opinion and commentary.
We start with a new memorial unveiled in Tórshavn for missionary William Gibson Sloane.
And right beside it, his former home has been reopened as the Sloane Savma Museum.
Denmark is proposing a very strict deportation mandate for foreign nationals who commit serious crimes.
It would mean deportation for anyone getting a one-year prison sentence, regardless of their other ties.
A government plan to regulate holiday rentals is facing calls for even tougher measures.
Tourism and employer groups say the proposed rules are way too lenient and should be mandatory.
Meanwhile, Parliament is taking a closer look at its relationship with the World Health Organization.
The health minister confirmed that WHO's health regulations officially became binding here back in 2011.
And next week, Danish MPs are visiting Tórshavn to talk about Denmark's recent immigration policy shifts.
And finally in the news, a question has been raised in Parliament about public sector wage raises.
The idea is to use fixed krona amounts instead of percentages to help close the wage gap.
Okay, let's move on to what people are talking about in recent opinion pieces.
One writer is asking why parents seem so hesitant about the cancer-preventing HPV vaccine.
Our rates are just 50% for girls and 30% for boys, way below Denmark's average.
Next, a blog post is highlighting the major hurdles immigrants face in the fast-track system.
Key issues include a long path to residency, strict work rules, and a constant fear of deportation.
A writer is defending government aid to the organization SAT-7 against recent criticism. He argues the money is for humanitarian work, like schooling for children, not religious missions.
And finally, the Union Party chairman makes his case for remaining in the Danish realm.
He claims independence could cost 2.5 billion kroner every year, and that's including NATO fees.
Like and subscribe to PalsFundamentals for more content like this. Sources linked below.